Hi everybody, here's a sneak preview coming into Morrocco Method International's new building in Grover Beach. So we're going to paint a mural on that wall. This is the reception desk and area coming in. We're getting the entrance. Well, it looks pretty good. Abby's busy working away. And our new offices. And there's Lobo. Hey Lobo, how's it going?
Hi.
Where's Steven? Yep, Steven's in Hawaii. He's on his way back. Abby, what are you working on?
Here in the corner.
Yeah, fixing the wall.
Fixing the corner over here.
Putting the wall back on. Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah.
Good job. And then here's Anthony's desk and Samantha's desk, but they're not around. So this is the new building. Upstairs offices, downstairs offices, spinning around to the CIO. Israel, how's it going?
Going good.
There's Israel's new office. There's Leanne. Hey Leanne, how's it going?
Good.
Customer service happening.
Yep, keeping busy.
And this is the new conference room. Wow, it's really spectacular. Pretty spectacular. Anyway, this is a fast tour ending up at sales and marketing.
That way, you can sell more.
Yep, there's Michelle.
Because, hi.
Okay, another sneak video. This is the new conference room. Wow, I'm really impressed with this desk. It's like 16 feet of solid wood. Then we're going to come out to what will be the lounge. So this is just percolating, coming out to a lounge area. And this will be sort of like a living room, seating area for break time, break room. And coming out to our upstairs cafe. We just put a new chandelier in. There's the upstairs kitchen. We have a downstairs kitchen. So pretty amazing. And this will be our manufacturing space. So back there is manufacturing. This will be racks, storage, and production.